Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you about 31 top rare stamps. Anguilla stamp 1967 independent Anguilla overprints half cent to 25 cent, 20 cent with inverted watermark. These stamps have original gum and are never hinged. The Stanley Gibbon catalog number is 1 to 11 and the value is 1,840 pounds. United States Confederate State 1862 year 5 cent dark blue stone 3 mint issue with original gum and grade very fine to extremely fine 85. Scott number is 4A and the value is $800 for the hinged stamp. This is imperforate. Thailand stamps 1920 year second Scout Fund issue full, fresh and clean set. Scott catalog number is B18 to B23. These are fine to very fine or better. Scott value is $525 for all these stamps. Saint Pierre Miquelon 1942 year cod fish with France Library FNFL overprinted full set with original gum and lightly hinged condition. The Vivet catalog number is T57 to 66 and the value in this Vivet catalog is €850. Saint Pierre Miquelon 1942 year 2.25 franc New York World's Fair overprint inverted error Scott catalog number 257 variety slightly toned in one corner. The Vivet catalog number is 282A and the price is €2,200. Somalia stamp 1932 5 cent to 25 L pictorials full set with post office freshness and superior centering. The Scott number is 138 to 155 and the value is $1,276. Argentina 1892 to 95 5 cent Revatavia error in green Scott catalog number 96P an attractive original gum example with mathematical centering. The Scott catalog value is $700. This is a perforated stamp and is very well centered. Cameroon 1931 colonial exposition without Cameroon overprint. This is a full set. Scott catalog number 213 to 216 varieties and these have original gum and never hinged. The Vivet catalog number 149A to 152A. Eritrea postage due 1903 100L denomination color blue Scott number J13. This stamp has original gum. The Sazzoni catalog number is S13 and the value is €600 which is equal to $670 in this catalog. German New Guinea 1913 year proposed German English airship expedition. 2 fanning blue color. The seizure catalog number is 1 and this stamp has original gum and it was lightly hinged in an album. The seizure price is €1,000. The stamp is from Germany year 1956, 3 fanning rose and grey color. Scott catalog number 9A a select example with 4 complete margins and partial Burnsbrook cancel. The Scott value for this stamp is $350. This is an imperforate stamp. Libya 1937 5L Victory perforation 11 original gum and left perforations are intact though cancel may make them appear to be short. Sazzoni catalog number 144 and the value is €650. This is a perforated stamp. Germany 1923 10 MLRD on 50 mm black opal green. The Scott catalog number 315 variety. This stamp has original gum and the Michel catalog number is 336 AWB. The value is €450. Stamp from Fezzan 1949 pictorials 1 franc to 50 franc full imperforate set. Scott catalog number 2 and 1 to 2 and 11 varieties. These are in sheet margins and are pairs. Sazzoni catalog number S4 and the value is $2,200. Liechtenstein 1928 70th anniversary reign anniversary of the Prince Johann II full mint set with original gum. The Scotch catalog number 82 to 89 value is $1,040 for all these stamps. Stamp from Chile, year 1954, 5 cent, red brown, lithograph, transfer flaw, Scotch catalog number 7 variety. Part of extra frame line at the bottom left, 4 ring cancel and X Islander. The estimated value is $500. This is imperforate. Austria 1921 Tyrol referendum locals. Coat of arms and parliament building issue overprinted with red eagle and 24 April 1921, which is also in red. The Michel number 257 to 315 Y2, price is €350. French issue 1854 year Napoleon III imperforate 5 cent green on greenish, Scotch catalog number 13. This stamp has generous margins with a partial sheet margin at the left. Violet catalog number 12 and the value in this catalog is €1,400. Nicaragua 1936, 10 cent on 20 cent, green color overprint reading down. The Scotch catalog number C135 and there is a blue boxed airmail cancel. May 16, 1937, the Scotch catalog price is $350. Stamp from Cuba 1914, 5 cent, Gertrudis Gomez, imperforate, plate proof on card in green, block of 4 without gum. The Scotch number 263 variety, Edifil number 204 variety, and the suggested bid by the philatelist during the auctions was $300 to $400. Brazil airmail issue 1927 500R on 10R. This stamp has original gum and bits of hinge remnant. Elliot hand stamp is present on the reverse. The Scotch catalog number C6A and the value is $400. Stamp from Argentina 1930 50p March of Insurgents. This stamp has original gum and this is a key value with selvage at the top. The Scotch number is 392 and the value in this catalog is $750 for a hinged stamp. Well, this is Syria, UAR 1961, 12.5p and 50p technical assistance. Blocks of 4 with bottom left corner salvage. Estimated value for both these blocks is about $600 and this price was estimated by expert philatelist. Well, Russia, Soviet Republic, Stenutuva 1938, modified designs and colors, 5K to 30K, full set with original gum. The Scotch catalog number is 99 to 103 and the value for all these stamps from Russia is $500. United States 1947 year 3 cent Everglades National Park. The Scotch catalog number 952 original gum and never hinged. This stamp is accompanied with BSE certificate which graded extremely fine, superb 95. Well, this is United States 1940 year famous Americans issue 5 cent Elias Howe. Scotch catalog number 892 and this stamp has original gum, it was never hinged and is accompanied with BSE certificate which grade it as extremely fine superb 95. United States 1936 3 cent Rhode Island Centenary, Scotch catalog number 777. This stamp has original gum and it was never hinged, accompanied with BSE certificate which grade it as a superb 98, value is $110. United States 1934 3 cent Maryland, Scotch catalog number 736. This stamp has original gum and it was never hinged, accompanied with 2022 PSE certificate, graded extremely fine superb 95 jumbo and SMQ value $110. United States 1934 3 cent Mother's Day rotary press printing. The Scotch catalog number 737 and the stamp is having original gum and it was never hinged. This is accompanied with PSE certificate graded superb 98 jumbo. Well, this is also from United States, year 1940 3 cent Coronado Expedition, Scott number 898. The stamp has original gum and was never hinged. Accompanied with 2012 PSE certificate. Graded gem 100. SMQ value $160. Great Britain 1840 year 2 pence deep full blue. SG number Stanley Gibbon, catalog number 4, plate 1, letter AL, and the Stanley Gibbon price is 1,200 British pounds, while the hammer price was $1,700 in the auction. Okay, thank you and keep visiting and watching the videos.